that's my bro. I never switch for hoes. Even though I got him, gotta keep him on the low. Them phonies in my life, I had to cut him like a fro. I just do my thing, if it's for business, hit up Dro. This is what I do. I get to the loop, laid up in the booth, 500 for my shoes. I been on the move, my view on the news, sipping on some goose. I ain't got shit to prove. 10 hoes on my lap, this my motherfucking life now. Try to hit me up, I'm calling Skitty, brought the Glocks out. I been with the shit since legit, now I popped out. 32 be killing shit, so they just brought the cops out.
Take it to the left, this the next, this a lifestyle. Break your candy cup, cause we know that you want some clout. Niggas need to talk, yeah they know that we coming out. Pull the choppers out, take the Glocks, know we coming out. Take it to the left, this the next, this a lifestyle. Break your candy cup, cause we know that you want some clout. Niggas need to talk, yeah they know that we coming out.
Alright guys, ready? Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and eat this. I have myself timed over here. 3, 2, 1. Today, we're definitely going to try this. Try to eat the whole entire thing. These are pretty hot. These are hot, especially after a while. Holy crap. Holy crap. The whole thing? I don't know about the whole thing. These are hot. Holy crap. These are super hot. That's on fire. These are freaking hot. These are no joke. Just gonna clean it. These are hot. These things are hot. If anyone's willing to do challenge. One man single-handedly. The challenge is there on the table. So you have to complete one 12-ounce can. Make sure it is a 12-ounce can. 340 grams, and it's going to be the ass-kicking peanuts. One person only. Whoever completed, well, wins my challenge. I could not, however, do it myself, but there's someone out there that can do it. If you come across this video and you do feel like trying it, please don't be shy. Go ahead and try it. But until the next one, peace. From the Gaming Kings 497. Signing off. Until the next one, peace.